Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I really hope that you all are doing fantastic today. We have come again, as we always do, with yet another dose of cricket. IPL or no IPL, cricket or break from cricket, we pledge to bring you daily interesting videos to cheer you up. As the tragic news of IPL being suspended has not sunk in yet, as the condition of cricket in India is unclear yet, as the safety of players reaching their home is a concern yet, as people having their livelihoods on the basis of cricket is a question mark yet, we stare at hope. We stare at people who can change this condition. We stare at people who can make this happen. After hundreds and thousands of losses, it is not the time to think that what have we got into, but it is now time for us to think that how are we getting out of this. As the grim situation looms, it is now time for us to make it easier for you. So we have got something new for you. It is the start of new season series for Soft Signal. We are starting something interesting as we venture into this new series. I will let you know what is this about. We are going to review each team of the IPL 2021 and make a report card out of it. We will be rating the teams with respect to various parameters and will bring you some interesting takes on each team each day. Today is the day for Sunrisers Hyderabad to come under the hammer of soft signal. I am your favorite host, Srijit Iyer, and this is video number 30, episode number 1 of our new series. So let's move directly to our discussion room where Prasad and Omkar will discuss about how Sunrisers Hyderabad fared in this IPL 2021.
So thank you, Shrijit. Now let's move on to SRH batting performance. So Omkar, according to you, who was the best batsman for SRH in this tournament?
So according to me, David Warner was the best batsman. I know, it's debatable. Yeah, but like he was the top two run scorer for the SRH, and he was averaging around 32. And if you saw the most of the matches were played in Chennai, it was very hard wicket to play on. So he scored that hard runs for the team. But if you look at the SRH management, they dropped him. So I would score him 8 out of 10. But for the last match, his dedication on the field, like he was roaming around for the drinks and all. So his dedication, I will score him 9 out of 10.
Yeah, that's great. That was the true sportsman spirit he showed in the last match, carrying teams.
So, who according to you is the best batsman for SRH?
For me, it has to be Johnny Bairstow. He scored 248 runs in 7 matches at a strike rate of 160. So the way he scored those runs, that in aggressive manner, was very crucial. With David Warner not firing and Manish Pandey struggling, he was our main guy, and he क्या बोलते उसने वो भरोसे पे खड़ा उतरा है और he has been batting well right from the India versus England series, and he showed the form in this tournament also. So yeah, I would rate him 9 out of 10. Okay.
Yeah. So what do you think about the middle order? Like
the middle order, the batting order is their main problem. I think so. They're always chopping and changing. Like they brought in someone like they have someone like Kedar Jadhav, but they've gone with Virat Singh. Also, they have Kane. Means they were not. The Kane Williamson was not their first pick. So also that was an issue. But straight away when he got into the playing 11, SRH won that game. So Kane Williamson is an impact player. So he should be there in the playing 11. Of course, he will be there. He's the captain now. Yeah. So I think Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson, and वो एक्सपीरियंस के साथ जा सकते हैं आई थिंक सो केदार जाधव, और शायद से प्रियम गर्ग ला सकते, वो अभी कहाँ गया पता नहीं. सो आपको क्या लगता है, आप मिडिल ऑर्डर के थॉट्स?
So I think they have like huge magnitude of players for the middle order, but they don't have the quality. Like if you saw, they made too many changes using Virat Singh, Kedar Jadhav, Abdul Samad. They didn't back them properly. So I guess they should stick around with Kedar Jadhav and Abdul Samad for finishing the games.
Okay, so you're backing on experience.
Yeah.
And youngsters. Okay, that's good. So Omkar, let's move on to bowling performance of SRH. So who is the best bowler? Who was the best bowler for SRH?
So ये तो बहुत easy था इसका answer. So Rashid Khan was the only bowler they have. Like he picked 10 wickets in 7 matches with an average of 17 and economy of 6.14, which is very good in T20 cricket. But that is the legacy of Rashid Khan. But like teams were playing him, like they were not giving wickets to Rashid Khan. That's why the in wicket column there are less wickets, and so I will rate him like 8 out of 10 for that. So who, yeah. So who according to you was the best bowler for SRH?
No, I completely agree with you. Has to be Rashid Khan. He was bowling good, but I felt in this tournament he was not that impactful like he was in other tournament. So I gave him like 7 out of 10. But let's hope if the IPL happens, he will come good and he will pick wickets, and he's very crucial for us. He's our main bowler. And so that's it. So that's why I rate him 7.
I want to ask you, like, I believe that a team is successful when their bowler hunts in pair. So in SRH, that was like Bhuvi and Rashid Khan. But Bhuvi got injured. Then we got to see the Indian bowlers in bowling around. So what was your view of bowling attack of SRH?
So talking about SRH bowling, their bowling has always been their strength. They are defended low score I think in every year of the IPL. Their bowling was extremely impactful, and their strength exactly there was for SRH their bowling was their strength. But in this tournament with the injuries they had, like Bhuvneshwar Kumar was out. Also with Natarajan struggling, he had a knee surgery. So वो बहुत इम्पैक्ट किया है कि हम लोग को संदीप शर्मा, बाद में सिद्धार्थ कोल, ऐसे बॉलर्स को ट्राई करना पड़ा. ऑल्सो इन स्पिनर्स हम लोग ने पहले स्टार्ट किया मुजीबुर रहमान, और फिर अभिषेक शर्मा भी आए थे, तो उसने भी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया, पर उसको ड्रॉप किया और सुचित को लाया गया. सो बहुत सारे चेंजेस हो गए हैं. इसीलिए मेरे को इस साल की एसआरएच की बॉलिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी. बट अभी अगर आईपीएल होता है तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. ऑल्सो मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूँ कि दे हैव द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ऑलराउंडर्स. दे हैव जेसन होल्डर, मोहम्मद नबी, ऑल्सो आवर 3D प्लेयर विजय शंकर, and what Abhishek Sharma they tried, or also Abdul Samad. So what do you think about them? Who should be in the playing 11?
So हमारे 3D प्लेयर तो 3D जैसे कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे. Like he's not playing good in batting, neither in bowling. So I guess team might. I guess the SRH bowling attack should be a five proper bowlers, and they can look for like they can look for Kedar Jadhav if they want to bowl 2 or 3 overs in a match.
Okay.
If a bowler
and
gets
Jason Holder, he had a good game and he was then dropped. That was very surprising for me. So what do you think?
Yeah, like it's SRH management throughout the season was debatable.
Yeah. This season was SRH team management was I don't know what they were thinking or they are thinking. But sadly, that's why they are languishing at the top, languishing at the bottom of the table. So let's hope they will go up and up.
Sunrise
and up. Sunrise hoga. Let's now rate the overall performance of SRH.
Yeah, so I would rate them as 6 out of 10, and अपने पास फिलहाल तो मैनेजमेंट का नहीं है रेटिंग, पर मैनेजमेंट को मैं 0 दूंगा क्योंकि मैनेजमेंट की वजह से टीम का रेटिंग 6 out of 10 है, नहीं तो 6 out of 10 की टीम नहीं है, आपको भी पता है।
Also
So,
change of captaincy. What do you think about that?
आई डोंट थिंक लाइक कैप्टनसी कोई कर रहा है एसआरएच में, सब डिसीजन बाहर से आ रहे हैं लाइक टीम सिलेक्शन से, एज यू नो। सो अगर विजय शंकर भी कैप्टन बने तो टीम ऐसी परफॉर्म करने वाली है।
Okay, okay, that's fine.
Yeah,
That was your
सो आपके आपके अकॉर्डिंग क्या रहेगा, मतलब टीम को आप क्या रेट करोगे, एसआरएच टीम का?
overall to rate SRH. I will give them 4.
ओ,
Just because they're always trying and changing their players. I think so. They tried about 22 players in their squad, and
या
yeah, वो स्ट्रेंथ नहीं होती। अगर आप कोई भी टीम देख लो, जो भी टीम आईपीएल जीतती है, उसके कांस्टेंट 9 और 10 प्लेयर चेंज ही रहते, सेम ही रहते, एक हाथ चेंज होता है कंडीशन को देख के। पर जो ये लोग चेंज करे, ऑल्सो केन विलियमसन मीन्स कैप्टन से भी चेंज हुई है, तो इसीलिए मेरे को नहीं लगता था कि डेविड वार्नर को निकालना चाहिए। मीन्स ठीक है, कैप्टनसी चेंज करना चाहिए था, ये मानता हूँ मैं, पर टीम से ड्रॉप नहीं होना चाहिए था, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है। ऑल्सो विथ केन कमिंग इन एज कैप्टन, इट इज अ गुड मूव, एंड एटलीस्ट वो अभी अगले साल तक स्टिक करना चाहिए, नहीं तो बैक करना चाहिए, नहीं तो पता चला अभी 2 मैच हार गए और केन विलियमसन भी कैप्टन से छोड़ के चले गए। सो या आई विल रेट देम 4, and I think the main problem is they are lacking that strong Indian core of Ranji players, or something like strong players of
या
Indian mentality.
या
They have Priyam Garg, but I don't know where is he now. He is not been like select भी नहीं हो रहे सिलेक्शन के लिए, और उसके उनकी जगह विराट सिंह खेल रहे हैं, वो भी पता नहीं क्यों। सो या
आई एम
बहुत
नॉट
सारे
सरप्राइज्ड, लाइक आई
बहुत
एम
सारे
नॉट
क्वेश्चन मार्क्स है,
सरप्राइज्ड।
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मार्क्स है।
या
पता नहीं क्या क्या करेंगे ये लोग। देखते हैं, ब्रेक
लाइक
मीन्स जो रीशेड्यूल हो रहा है आईपीएल, कुछ नए स्ट्रेटेजी के साथ आएंगे। तो आपको क्या लगता है
सो
इसके बारे
ये
में?
जब वार्नर वाला इंसिडेंट हुआ, मैं भी ऐसे ही था, लाइक क्यों नहीं खेल रहा है प्रियम गर्ग। सो लाइक तो बाद में जब वार्नर को सैक किया, तो इट वाज लाइक मतलब टीम मैनेजमेंट कुछ भी डिसीजन ले रही है, सो उनमें से ही प्रियम गर्ग का भी डिसीजन रहेगा। सो आई गेस मतलब केन विलियम्स को प्रॉपर कैप्टनसी देनी चाहिए, लाइक ही शुड मेक दो डिसीजन। सो वो अगर करे मैनेजमेंट, तो टीम विल डू बेटर।
Okay, one last question for you. Who will be your retained players for IPL 2022?
रिटेन
I know
प्लेयर्स,
it's very far, but I'm just asking for SRH, because you never know. There will be a surprise or rabbit out of that.
so obviously Kane Williamson, Rashid Khan, they dropped David Warner for a match.
I don't
So
think
I
so.
will say,
David Warner will
yeah,
be retained. I think he played his last match for SRH.
yeah, I guess so. Johnny Bairstow, and I guess in bowling, obviously Bhuvi. Sorry, you asked only foreign players, right?
No.
No,
Retained players.
Bhuvi.
I I think you can retain 5 players. So I think
Okay,
that will.
then in Natarajan also.
Okay.
That too.
So you are dropping Manish Pandey, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So yeah, I think that was it.
Guys, now we have come to end of this episode. Hope you like this new series. We will be reviewing each team each day. So if you love what we do, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Soft Signal. Follow on Insta. Follow us on Insta, Facebook, Twitter. So till then, stay home, stay safe.